Hello, today you're looking at a 15 horsepower fiberglass exhaust blower brought to you by Lanco. The outlet is 30 inches by 22 inches here at the top. Take a look inside at the wheel as well, very nice condition. The inlet is 30-inch diameter here. Does come with a 2-inch drain on the bottom, as you can see. Overall dimensions 65 inches long by 22 inches wide by 60 inches high. Can be wired for 230 or 460 volt. Come around here, we can turn it on for you so you can see and hear it go. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.